Hi there! Today we are going to make a bird. Well, this sounds interesting. Let's see what do we have in our book. Wow, we see a beautiful, colorful bird right here. All we have to do is follow these steps and start making the beautiful bird. At first, we are going to make a very big circle. For the face, you're right. After that, we will make this top part and then a curve at the bottom. Let's make this for the wing right here and then a circle for the beautiful eye. Extend this line and then join it with this curve and make this tail portion. Once we are done with that, let's make the legs. And then make this curve right here. After that, let's make a V and then the beak. And look, our bird is ready. Let's erase the top part, which is the overlapping part, and then start sketching this. Go slow while sketching this, please. And make sure that you do not make any mistake while sketching. If you're not comfortable, pick up your hand and start from where you stop. This looks interesting. Let's color the beautiful eye with the sketch pen itself. And then finally make the legs. Erase all the pencil marks you see. And make sure that you go very slow while erasing. This is great. Let's start by coloring with our yellow color now. Of course, you know the drill now, right? We need to do the outline first and then color inside in one direction. Once we are done with the yellow color, let's take the gray color. And yes, do the bottom part of the tail. That's amazing. Finally, let's take blue color and do the top part of the bird. This is going to make our bird look beautiful. Go very slow so that you don't go outside the lines. Color in one direction and do not leave any white spaces. This is beautiful. Our bird looks so attractive, isn't it? Finally, let's take gray color and do the beak once again. And look, our beautiful attractive bird is ready to fly.